Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to add Disney Plus to Amazon Firestick step by step, so you can start streaming your favorite Disney, Pixar, Marvel, Star Wars, and National Geographic content in just a few minutes. Step 1. Turn on your Firestick and make sure it's connected to the internet. From the home screen, use your remote to navigate to the top menu. Step 2. Select the Find tab, then choose Search. This allows you to search for any app available on the Amazon App Store. Step 3. Using the on-screen keyboard, type Disney Plus or press the voice button on your remote and say Disney Plus. Step 4. From the search results, select the official Disney Plus app. Make sure to choose the verified app to ensure smooth installation and updates. Step 5. Click Get or Download. The app will start downloading and installing automatically. This usually takes a few seconds depending on your internet speed. Step 6. Once installation is complete, select Open or access Disney Plus later from the Your Apps and Channels section on the Firestick home screen. Step 7. When the app opens, sign in with your Disney Plus account. Enter your email and password using the remote or follow the on-screen instructions to sign in with a code on another device. After signing in, your profile and content library will load. You can now browse, search, and start streaming Disney Plus directly on your Firestick. If Disney Plus is already pre-installed on your Firestick, simply open the app from Your Apps and Channels and sign in using the same steps. You've now successfully added Disney Plus to Amazon Firestick, and you're ready to enjoy all your favorite shows and movies. If this video helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications for more helpful step-by-step tutorials.